Hello, my name is Madame Picallos. I am a high school teacher. I teach French. I'm also the high school online course coordinator, and I created this set activities for you. I created this course, which is called Plagiarism 101, especially for you to use during your intermission week, but not only to learn or relearn about plagiarism, but also to experience an online course. I'm going to walk you through, so during this session you will exactly know what you need to do. First of all, you see it is a haiku course and you are familiar to haiku since all your teachers are using haiku pages. So on your left you have here the different pages. The first page is the welcome page, obviously. Then you have the resources that you will be using as you wish during your school year, because this course is for you, so you can return it anyway to learn more, not only as a ninth grader, but after during your high school career. And those two pages are actually the pages that you are going to use today and a little bit later. When you go home, you get to finish the assignments, and as you can see in the announcement box, you get this time to complete as many activities as you can, but all activities need to be completed by November 2nd. What you want to do first is to click on this little arrow, and you will get the directions for the activities. You see there are 3 sets of activities corresponding to 3 sub-pages. So let's go first to the definition activity, which is the first one that you need to complete. You see on your left the resources. It is an infographic. If you scroll down, and if you click on it, then it will get bigger, and I'm going to ask you with a partner to take some time to look at it. And then on your right you have keywords. Those words are key to the unit of plagiarism, and all you have to do with a partner is to summarize the infographics and then define those words, or you don't have to define it like in a dictionary, but you can just give it an example or just share why you think that those words are important. So this is the first activity that you need to complete, and there is actually nothing to upload. You just need to talk, and when you are okay with this activity, when you think that you define those words and you understood the infographic, then you go to the second activity. You click on the YouTube activities. Again, on your left you have resources, and on your right you have the activity that you need to complete. It's very simple. You have 3 YouTube videos that you need to watch. You can listen to them as many times as you want, and on your right you have a quiz that corresponds to each video. 1, 2, and 3. And when you are done, you will vote for the video that you like the most. Unlike the first activity that you did, this is not a partner activity. You will need a headset and a computer per person, and you will complete this activity by yourself. And then you get to the wiki activity. The wiki activity is very simple. You will click on View Project, and there is almost nothing in there, just 2 columns. They are labeled. On the left, you will need to come up with an important thing that you learn or relearn about plagiarism, and on your right you can write a question or write something that you did not really understand in the video, or just a question that you have about plagiarism. Now this is a wiki, which means that each of you can edit this wiki, and the way to do this is to click on the little arrow to do edit, and here you go. You can write whatever you want, then you save it, and then you return to the pages. I believe that you will be taking a lot of time to do those activities, and I don't think that you will get to the homework assignments, but in case you do, we will also look at that page. Just one thing that I wanted to tell you about the wiki: when you are done with the wiki, it's very simple. One sentence in each column. Then I am just asking you to, it looks like an exam, it's written exam, but it's not an exam at all. It's just one question. It is asking you if you did participate in the wiki or not. And you just click on yes or no. And then let's say that you have more time, or that you go home and you want to finish those activities. So here it is. Again, on your left, you have here the activity that you need to complete, and this time it's a discussion forum. I am asking each of you to go on those sites and to look for another video about plagiarism, something that you like. And when you have one that you really like, you copy the URL and you explain in 100 words what this video is about, and you post that in the discussion forum. Then the next day, I wrote the next day, but actually it can be in the next couple of days. Then you go back to this discussion forum, you pick one that that one of your classmates suggested, and then you put a comment in the reply box. And finally, I am asking you on the right to complete this little feedback form. This is just for me to know how you like those activities. And very final activity, it's optional. It's a sign-up sheet in case you want to do a project about plagiarism. That would be a video. If you would like to do that, we'll form a group, and then we will complete that later during the school year. But this is completely optional. Here it is. I hope you really enjoy this set of activities, then that you find it very helpful. Et voilà!